Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. We want to first start off with our fun fact, and this week, since it's going to be 4th of July weekend, it's regarding pet safety. You know, our dog doesn't do well with fireworks, and I would assume a lot of other dogs don't as well. So if you are the one lighting the fireworks, which again, I'm all for the celebration, just limit it, I would say, to just for 4th of July. You know, for the last like 2-3 weeks, we have fireworks going off kind of in different areas where, you know, our dog Marley, he hears them and he'll bark for 5 minutes. So on 4th of July, you know, we try to put him in a closet with some white noise, maybe give them something to kind of calm them down a little bit. So just, you know, if you're thinking about lighting fireworks on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, just, you know, I ask respectfully if we can just reduce it to Sunday. If you say, Remo, the hell with you, we're lighting them every day, well, that's cool. But, you know, hopefully this message sits with someone that says, you know, I'll wait for actual 4th of July. So with that being said, let's get started. Want to start off by sharing some of the homes that we have on the market. We just listed this beautiful Hacienda Heights home, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just stunning home, great for entertaining. You know, it has views, so I asked the seller, you know, can we do an open house on Saturday and Sunday? And obviously a home like that on Sunday, they're entertaining, just like the future buyer is probably gonna have all holidays there because it's just such a beautiful space. So we are gonna have an open house on Saturday, so I'll probably be there myself. So if you are interested, please join us. We also have that land that, you know, in a sense would build something similar to this house, but obviously you would build it from scratch. So it's just the raw land. So if you're interested in that, please let us know. We have a few other homes that should be coming on the market in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So we'll let you know when those homes come up. And then Kathy from our team always asked me to kind of share a few other things. So last weekend, we actually had the first open house for that Hacienda Heights home. And so one of the questions she posed to me, well, how was the experience of the open house? How were people interacting? You know, I would say 99% of the people obviously came in with masks, still social distance. You know, they sanitized their hands as soon as they came in. We're kind of in and out, didn't spend too much time in the house, so which is obviously kind of good in a sense where they're outside and in outdoor space. So, you know, open houses are back. They're obviously going to make it easier for more buyers to get into properties, and the accessibility obviously is an important thing, because if you can only go see property like you've probably experienced, you know, Tuesday at 4 p.m. and that's the only appointment that you can get to be able to see the home, obviously it makes it challenging to get to that home and be able to make a competitive offer with seeing what's inside of the home. So with that being said, welcome back to open houses. We're excited. I'm actually not excited about putting up signs. So if you ever see realtors out there, you know, give them a honk and a thumbs up, because it's not fun. Especially last weekend, it was pretty warm. So it's not one of those, it's not why we do the open house, to put up the open house signs. Let's say that. With that being said, we again want to say thank you for your continued support. Have a happy, safe 4th of July, whatever it is that you're doing. Hope it's a fun and exciting one with just fireworks on Sunday. So we'll see you soon, guys. Bye.